Making homemade butter is so easy. Let's make it. All butter really is just heavy whipping cream. Add cold heavy cream to your mixer and start on medium speed. In about 5 minutes, it'll turn into whipped cream. Now set the speed on high and keep mixing. And then suddenly the fat will separate from the buttermilk and you'll see this. Make sure to strain out the buttermilk and save it for pancakes. Now rinse your butter with ice cold water and gently press out the extra liquid. Now you can add some seasonings, salt, or herbs, and then shape it into your desired shape. And look at that, you just made homemade butter. To serve, cut some bread, spread your butter on it, add a pinch of salt, and now let's try it out. Okay, let's try this out. This is so easy to make at home. This is a must try.